So playing around, um, today's sandbox is to get that code to you can get an image from Google Image Search and save it to your computer. Just put it in the same directory. But os.list directory is going to give you an array of files in a directory. So that's something to play around with because you can use that to open files in a directory. You can use an image menu to load an image. Um, Create some functions for different image operations where you can pass that image as a parameter. That's a good thing to practice. Saving an edited image using a user input name. And just start thinking about how you would want to create an image editing program using Python. And so the target is we're going to come back, we're going to learn a little bit more detailed information about using color channels and things to produce more interesting effects. And then we will actually build a filtering app or an image editing app in Python next time. So the basic thing is I would download this code, this practice code, Python, the pillow practice code from Canvas, and actually just do some playing around with some of these things and try them out and see how it works, get a feel for it. And then we'll get into more detailed work next time.